everyone to Uinsider, where we dive into the world of English grammar and make it fun and easier to understand. My name is Mutiara Dinata.
I'm Dani Firmansyah.
I'm Sani.
And I'm Salah Alfonso. Today, we're going to break down some of the most commonly used tenses in English. Let's start with the simple present tense. Mutiara, can you kick us off?
Now let's learn about simple present. Simple present tense is a tense that is used to talk about something general, something that always happens repeatedly, or a general truth. The characteristics of simple present. In simple present tense sentences, the predicate is in the form of a bare infinitive. In verbal interrogative sentences, as add do or does before the subject, in nonverbal sentences, start with to be, am, are, is. In negative sentences, add do not or don't, or does not or doesn't, and remove the s, es, ies suffix from the verb. The formula of verbal simple present for the positive sentences use subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. For the negative sentences, use subject plus does or do plus not plus verb 1 plus object. And for interrogative sentences, use do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus question mark. For the nominal simple present, for the positive sentences, use subject plus to be, am, is, or are plus object. For negative sentences, use subject plus to be, am, is, are plus verb 1 plus object. For interrogative sentences, use to be, am, is, are plus subject plus verb 1 plus question mark. And now let's learn simple past tense. Simple past tense is a tense form in which the sentence expresses events or occurrences that have occurred in the past. The characteristic of past tense is used verb to. The second one, past tense use to be, was, or were. The pattern of simple past tense for the verbal, for the positive sentences, use subject plus verb 2 plus object. For negative sentences, use subject plus did not plus verb 1 plus object. For interrogative sentences, use did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object and question mark. For the nominal sentences, for the positive sentences, use subject plus was or were plus see, complement. For negative sentences, use subject plus was or were not plus complement. For interrogative sentences, use was or were plus subject plus complement. And now let's learn simple past tense. Simple past tense is a tense form in which the sentence expresses events or occurrences that have occurred in the past. The characteristic of past tense is used verb to. The second one, past tense use to be, was, or were. The pattern of simple past tense for the verbal, for the positive sentences, use subject plus verb 2 plus object. For negative sentences, use subject plus did not plus verb 1 plus object. For interrogative sentences, use did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object and question mark. For the nominal sentences, for the positive sentences, use subject plus was or were plus see, complement. For negative sentences, use subject plus was or were not plus complement. For interrogative sentences, use was or were plus subject plus complement.
Past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense is a tense that states an event that happened in the past and was completed in the past. This tense is used to clarify that an event occurred. Characteristic of past perfect: using the auxiliary verb had, using past participle or verb 3. Formula of past perfect: nominal. For the positive one, subject plus had plus been plus adjective, adverb, or noun. For the negative, subject plus had plus not plus been plus adjective, adverb, or noun. For the interrogative, had plus subject plus been plus adjective, adverb, or noun. Verbal, positive, subject plus had plus verb 3. For the negative, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. For the interrogative, had plus subject plus verb 3 plus question mark. Past perfect tense. What is past perfect tense? Past perfect tense is a tense that states an event that happened in the past and was completed in the past. This tense is used to clarify that an event occurred. Characteristic of past perfect: using the auxiliary verb had, using past participle or verb 3. Formula of past perfect: nominal. For the positive one, subject plus had plus been plus adjective, adverb, or noun. For the negative, subject plus had plus not plus been plus adjective, adverb, or noun. For the interrogative, had plus subject plus been plus adjective, adverb, or noun. Verbal, positive, subject plus had plus verb 3. For the negative, subject plus had plus not plus verb 3. For the interrogative, had plus subject plus verb 3 plus question mark. Past continuous. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense shows a continuous action that began in the past. It is the past tense version of the present continuous, which also describes ongoing actions. The present and past continuous are very similar, but the past continuous use was and were, the past tense of to be. Past continuous tense formula. The past continuous tense formula involves the past tense of to be, was or were, and the present participle of the verb, the ing form. The formula: for the positive, subject plus be, was or were, plus verb ing, plus complement. For the negative, subject plus be, was or were, plus not, plus verb ing, plus complement. For the interrogative, be, was or were, plus subject, plus verb ing, plus complement. For example, the positive: he was traveling to Venice. She was eating a burger. For the negative, he wasn't sleeping. Keep in mind that you must conjugate to be to match the subject. Use was for first or third person singular subjects such as I, he, she, or it. She was working on an email when the fire alarm rang. The team was playing well until the second half. Use were for all other subjects, including all plural subject and the singular second person subject, you. You were becoming a great novelist before switching to screenplays. The days were getting shorter as winter approached.
Now, let's learn about present continuous tense. So, what is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is a tense form that you can use to explain something or state an action that is currently taking place for a specific period of time in the present. The characteristic of present continuous tense is the addition of ing at the end of the verb. So, let's see the formula of present continuous tense. The formula for positive present continuous tense is subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. Okay, now let's see the formula of present continuous tense. Okay, for the positive sentence, it will be subject plus be plus verb ing plus complement. For the negative sentence, it will be subject plus be plus not plus verb ing plus complement. And the interrogative sentence, it will be plus subject plus verb ing plus complement. Now let's learn about future tense. So what is future tense? According to the Collins Dictionary, the future tense is defined as the tense of verb used when the action or event described is to occur after the time of utterance. There are two types of future tense. The first one is use verb 1 and the second one is use will. Let's see the formula. Okay, now let's see about the formula of future tense. There are for nominal and verbal formula. The first one, nominal. For positive sentence, it will be subject plus to be plus going to plus verb 1. For the negative sentence, subject plus to be plus not plus going to plus verb 1. And for the interrogative, to be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1. Okay, so the next for the verbal formula of future tense. Negative sentence, subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, for the negative, subject plus will or shall plus not plus verb 1 plus object. And interrogative, will or shall plus subject plus verb 1 plus object.
Okay. Present perfect. What is present perfect? The present perfect is used to describe an action or situation that started in the past and continues in the present. For formula, there are three formula that we can use in present perfect. For positive formula, we can use subject plus have or has plus participle. And then for negative formula, we can use subject plus have or has and then plus not plus participle. For interrogation formula, we can use have or has plus subject plus participle. So that was the formula for present perfect.
So there's a lot of tense we've covered today, and each of them have a very unique purpose and very useful for our clear communication.
Absolutely, Olivia. And for our listener, remember that practice is key. Try using these tenses in your daily conversation and writing.
And that's all the time we have for today's episode of Uinsider. Thank you for tuning in.
We hope you found this helpful and interesting. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you enjoyed this show.
And join us next time as we explore more fascinating aspects of English grammar. Bye for now.